Energetic and upbeat, just graduated? Entering the workforce for the first time? You're probably feeling a mix of excitement and maybe a little dread? The job search can be daunting, especially if you're worried about finding a position that just pays the bills. But what if you could find a job you actually enjoy? Many young professionals today prioritize work-life balance and personal fulfillment. They want a job that aligns with their values and interests, even if it means sacrificing some ideal working conditions. This video is here to help. We'll explore some key strategies for landing a job that gets you excited to get out of bed in the morning. Let's start by figuring out what matters most to you. Think about it. What kind of company culture would you thrive in? Is environmental sustainability a big deal for you? Do you want a collaborative work environment or something more independent? The good news is there are tons of amazing companies out there with missions that resonate with different values. Do your research. Read company websites, check out employee reviews, and see what kind of work they're doing. Don't be afraid to network. Attending industry events and connecting with professionals allows you to learn more about company cultures from the inside out. Now let's talk about your passions. What are you naturally good at? What do you love doing in your free time? There's a good chance you can find a career path that combines your skills and interests. Think outside the box. Maybe you love writing and have a knack for social media. Consider a career in content marketing. Perhaps you're passionate about animals and have a strong work ethic. Explore opportunities in veterinary medicine. Don't wait for your dream job to fall into your lap. Be proactive. Research companies you admire and reach out directly. See if they have any open positions or internship opportunities. Remember, finding your dream job